Hey everyone, in this video we will learn how to access the error messages on a particular column when we get the data via Power Query. So let's say you're trying to import some data using Power Query and there are date format issues and you want to see what is the error message. How do you specifically catch that? So we'll just go through that. So I'm in the Power BI desktop and I'll go in and I'll open transform data, so it opens the Power Query editor for me. And you can see here that my sales date, there is some errors here. So how do I catch the error message? So what I'll quickly do is I'll duplicate this. And with this one, and maybe I'll just call it catch the error message. And now here, I'm on the Power Query editor. I go on the add column tab and I say custom column. And here I'll just say, so this is just our exploration, we'll just call it that, and we'll just say, so I'll use the try block, and then I'll put the sales, date of sale, and I'll hit OK. So it adds a column. So this is not where it's the end. So here, if I click on this arrow, which is going in both directions, so there's two arrows, so it gives me has an error in value, and I'm not interested in either of them at the moment. So I click the load more button. I'll just go again. So I'll click this button. I'll hit load more. And what I am after is so I'm after this error. So I hit OK. And what it does is it gives me a record. So I'll need to further split it up. So I'll split it up. So I want the reason and the message. So I'll just uncheck everything else, but I want these. So I'll hit OK. And what it does is it's giving me the error. So it's saying the reason is there's a date format error, and it says a detailed description. We couldn't parse the input provided as a date value. So I can call this one as error reason. Brief description. And this one I'll just rename this. So I'll just call this, maybe not this is full description, and hit OK. And now I've got the error messages, and I can choose how I want to display it. I can display it in the front end, or I can keep them and maybe pass it on to someone else. So in this video, just to recap, we've covered how to display the brief description and the error message for a column in Power Query editor. I hope you find this video useful, and thanks for watching this video. Please do subscribe to my channel and like my videos if you enjoy what I'm doing. Let me know if you would like me to take any specific topics. Cheers, bye.